What if I told you that you can create stunning 3D elements completely free in just 3 simple steps? No design skills, no expensive software, no experience needed. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it today, step by step, in full detail, so even a complete beginner can follow along and get professional results. This video is a little longer than usual, but trust me, every second is worth it. Because by the end, you'll know exactly how to make high-quality 3D elements using a free AI tool that most people don't even know exists. So don't skip anything. Stay with me and let's get into it. All right, let's jump into step number 1. We're going to use ChatGPT, and here's where it gets interesting. We're not just going to use ChatGPT normally. We're going to build our own custom assistant inside ChatGPT, one that works specifically for us, for this exact purpose. Now, what does that mean exactly? It means we're going to give ChatGPT a specific role and instructions, so every time we ask it something, it already knows what we need and gives us the perfect output. And the best part? You don't need to memorize anything. You can write it yourself, or simply copy what I show you, totally fine either way. So here's our first example. We're going to tell our assistant to create a 3D coffee cup. We just type it in, hit send, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed, high-quality prompt for us automatically. That prompt is what we'll use in the next step to actually create the 3D element. Simple, powerful, let's do it. Now we're going to train our ChatGPT assistant. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. What we're doing here is giving ChatGPT a set of instructions, basically telling it exactly how we want it to think and respond for us. Now I know the instruction text is a little long, so feel free to pause the video anytime. You need to read or copy it carefully, no rush. Here's what we're telling our assistant. I will give you the name of an object, a character, or any element. Your job is to understand it, and then generate a detailed, high-quality 3D prompt for it that I can use in an AI image generator. That's it. Simple instructions, but very powerful results. Once ChatGPT understands this role, all we have to do is send it any object or element name, and it will automatically write the perfect prompt for us. No guessing, no complicated prompting. Just send a name, get a perfect result. Now we're going to send our training prompt to ChatGPT. Don't worry, I'll put the full prompt in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste it. No need to type everything manually. Once we send it, ChatGPT will reply with, "I understand," and that's our signal that the assistant is ready. And here's what makes this powerful. ChatGPT won't just copy the same prompt every time. Instead, it will generate a unique prompt for each object or element you give it, but the style will always stay consistent. Ultra realistic, professional background, green screen compatible every single time. We're using a green screen background on purpose because it makes it much easier to remove the background later when we use it in video. Now let's test it. Our assistant is trained and ready. It says, just send me any object name or image, and I'll convert it into a perfect high-quality prompt. So let's try it. We type, make a coffee cup, and hit send. Look at that. Instantly, we get a full, detailed 3D render prompt, complete with green screen background, realistic lighting, and professional quality. Now you can simply copy this prompt and paste it into any AI image generator. But wait, we're not stopping at images. We're going to take this one step further and also generate video prompts from the same assistant. So let's train it one more time. Now we're going to upgrade our assistant one more time. We're going to tell it, whenever we ask for a prompt, give us 2 things. Number 1, an image prompt. Number 2, a video prompt, both for the same object, same style, same quality. Again, I'll give you this exact training prompt in the description. Just copy, paste, and send. ChatGPT replies, I understand. Our assistant is now fully upgraded and ready for both images and videos. Now the fun part begins. All you have to do is type any object name, and your assistant does everything for you. Try it yourself. Make a coffee cup. Make a computer. Make a phone. Just a few words, and instantly you get a professional image prompt. And a video prompt, both ready to use. This completes step 1. And honestly, this alone is a game changer. Now let's move to step 2, where we actually generate the image and video using Google Gemini. Open Google Gemini and paste your image prompt. Click on Tools, select Create Image, then select Pro Mode. Don't have Pro? No problem at all. The free version works great too and gives you the same quality results. Hit send, wait just a few seconds, and look at that. Our high quality 3D render is generated on a perfect green screen background, exactly as we planned. The reason we use green screen is simple. It makes background removal fast and easy, especially when we convert this into a video element later. And think about what we just did. We built a custom AI assistant, typed just 2 to 4 words, and got a stunning professional 3D element ready to use. That's the power of this workflow. Now we'll download our generated image, and that completes step 2. Now we move to the final step, step 3. This is where the magic really happens. We're going to take our 3D image and convert it into a smooth 360-degree rotating video. Here's exactly what to do. Click the plus icon and upload. The image we just generated, our coffee cup on the green screen. Now we need our video prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt we generated earlier for the coffee cup. Now here's something important. Make sure your prompt or settings include these things. No subtitles, no captions, no music, no watermark. This keeps your 3D element clean and ready to use in any video project. Now, if you have access to the tool I'm using, great. But if you don't have it yet, don't worry at all. I'm going to give you 2 free alternative websites that work exactly the same way and give you the same quality results. I'll drop both links in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Once you're in the tool, click on Create Video, select it, and let's move forward. Now let's move to the second free website, Google Labs. The steps here are exactly the same, super simple. First, copy your video prompt from ChatGPT. Come to Google Labs and paste your prompt into the input field. Then on the bottom right side, click the Settings or Options button and select Video as your output type. Choose your video size. Select the one that fits your project best. Now hit send and just wait a few seconds. And there it is. Look at that. A stunning, high-quality 3D video, rotating smoothly in 360 degrees. You're on a clean green screen background, ready to use in any project. This is your 3D motion graphic, made by you, completely free, using just AI. No expensive software, no design experience, just 3 simple steps. Go ahead and download your video and start using it in your content right away. And that's a wrap on this tutorial. You now know exactly how to create professional 3D motion graphics from scratch using free AI tools from prompt to final video in minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to Smart Tech AI so you never miss a free AI tutorial like this one. Drop a comment below telling me what 3D element you're going to create first. I'd love to see what you make. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.